Alright guys, welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. So today I'm going to do a real easy video. It's just a basic smoothie, low calorie. When I lay this out for you, you can even make it even lower calorie and I'll explain how. But this thing will be so low in calories and so much volume it'll fill you up. I truly believe this is the perfect breakfast, or if you got the late night munchies, the perfect thing to get you through those. Realistically, if you're on a serious cut or you're trying to seriously lose weight and you're really having lots of problems, and say, like for me, I do intermittent fasting in the morning. If you can't make that work, this will help. This is the most basic smoothie you can find. The whole important part is find a protein powder that you like and then make sure that it's low calorie. I use the Impact Y protein here. This is an isolate, so it's only 90 calories, and it is the strawberry cream. This stuff is sold online pretty much only. You can get smaller bags on Amazon, but they're more expensive. But you can get this stuff in bulk really cheap online. So with that said, let's get started. Ninja blender. You want to make good smoothies, you want to chop ice, this is what you go with. It's just a simple fact. So we're going to open our blender up. And as I put the items in editing, I'll start sticking up the calories and totals. So you're going to need 1 scoop of your Impact Isolate Strawberry Protein. Now it's a good thing I'm getting this done because this bag's almost empty. You can tell I do this a lot. So next, you're going to need vanilla almond milk unsweetened. This is 30 calories per cup. And we are going to use 1 cup. Now this is the point where you can make this lower calorie. You could use water to do this, okay? Or you could half this and half water. But it's 30 calories. In the scheme of things, if you're getting broke over 30 calories, do it with water. It just won't be as good. Now, your next ingredient. This will be whatever berry you want. And the calories will be based on what you want. Now this is frozen raspberries from our homestead here. So this is a half cup. 32 calories for a half cup of raspberries. You want frozen berries, by the way. Regular ones will work, but frozen's better. Alright, next, whatever artificial sweetener you like. As far as how much you want to use, I use about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. Generally the berries and the protein powder have enough sweetness in it, but just in case, it never hurts to add a little. Your next ingredient, and this is what makes it a sizable drink, is xanthan gum. You can also use guar gum. Now I hear a lot of people say they can't find this stuff. I've seen it in Kroger's and I've seen it in Walmart, so I know every place sells it. Alright, and we're going to put in 1 full teaspoon. Now, your next ingredient is 1 tray of ice cubes. Now you can actually add more ice if you want a bigger, thicker one. Now this is the point where I tell you, if you like your smoothies creamier, you can add some light Greek yogurt, like a 1/4 cup to this, and it'll cream it up more. I like mine more like an icy, more fluidy. That way it's easier for me to get it down. If you're really having problems with cravings, that extra 25 or 50 calories for light Greek yogurt might be worth it to help thicken this up some. But on that, let's go ahead and start blending this up. Now, in order to get the xanthan gum to mix, you have to let this go. You have to let it climb up the side. It could take 5-10 minutes depending upon what blender you're using. You may have to stop and push your ice down with like a wooden spoon and then start it up again if you don't have a Ninja. Ninja has 3 blades. If you're interested in Ninja, I will put a link in the description to where you can get it off Amazon. You can also get them at Walmart. Just saying, you want a good blender, this 3-blade, $79 to $99 one will get the job done. So let's get started. Alright guys, so that was probably about 4 or 5 minutes of blending. Now I stopped it there, and I also only used 1 tray of ice. Now in the Ninja you could use like a tray and a half, 2 trays, and get it to fill all the way up on that same recipe. But most of you are going to be using a standardized blender, and a standard blender will only do about 6 to 8 cups. So I don't want you guys like blowing the top off yours because it's expanding so much. So we ended up with just over 6, almost 6.5 cups. Mind you, we only put 1.5 cups of actual material and a scoop protein powder in, and then added some ice. So volume wise it grew immensely, and the biggest problem I see people have when they make our ice cream or our smoothies is they don't let it blend long enough. You have to let it do its job. Also, when you get ready to clean, this stuff works like gelatin basically, so don't wait forever to clean this. At least fill it with super hot water, rinse it out, and pour it out a few times. But generally try to clean it right after, just makes things easier. My dog Apollo is coming in sniffing around because he smells the berries. That said, I don't know if you guys can see that. That's what it looks like. And that's a lot, guys. So this is the most key component. This is a smoothie straw. A big old monstrous straw. Okay? That's awesome. So, if you've got the calories to do it, this tastes a lot better if you add some Greek yogurt and add a second scoop of protein powder. But you're going to raise the calories. So, now that's complete, I'm going to put all the calories up on the screen. Take your time and learn to make this, okay? Even adding like Greek yogurt to it, you're still probably going to be under 200 calories. Look at the size of this. You know how full you're going to be just drinking this? And if you have a Ninja, add the extra half a tray of ice to it. Fill it all the way up. Make it a full-blown like breakfast. You know, I alternate this out when I get sick of oatmeal because it's nice, healthy, refreshing way. If it's going to be a super, super hot day outside, this is awesome to start the day with. Nice and light and airy. not too heavy on your stomach, and you can just get out there and get your day going. That said, if you haven't already, go down and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you didn't, that's fine too. Go ahead and hit that dislike button. And leave us a comment. Let us know what you think of this. Let us know what you would like to see us do, or ways we can modify this. You know, we've had talks over doing a blueberry powder with blueberries in it. You know, and if you try different things, please let us know. We love to hear about it. So until next time, I'm Tony, and I've got a big old monstrous smoothie to drink. So now I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'm gonna get this thing done.